Hello guys and gals, welcome back to the Icky Isaiah channel. So I made a few changes to my YouTube channel and I deleted some of my videos. Well, two of them were apology videos, you can see right there. And I also deleted the intro video because I wanted to test you guys and see if you wanted me to make a new intro, but I wasn't really. I was gonna test you guys. And I know my eye looks red is because I got an eyelash on it and it took me a few minutes to get it off. I was crying and yeah, that's why my eye looks red. I'm sorry if you're a bit disturbed. Oh, and I also fixed my Mario about to be murdered Photoshop. There was a demonic Elmo looking creature and it replaced the mysterious black creature you see right there. I deleted it because you guys were disturbed, but everyone has their opinions and that's why I remade it. So I hope the demonic Elmo is a little less creepier than the mysterious black creature. Oh, and I apologize if I didn't upload for a few days. And if you don't like the demonic Elmo, I'll replace him as well.